So I think this is the one that I have. It is tempered glass on the front and the side, as you can see. It is a full-sized case, so it's large. When you fill this thing up, your computer will be heavy. You can see here where you see kind of these black slots. This is where your cabling goes back, so you can hide all the cables in the side. The cable management on this thing is very awesome, I will say. I like the fact that you've got a lot, that's the power button, but you've got a lot of front inputs. You have a ton of front inputs. That's a really big pro to this case design. I'm trying to think where the airflow is actually coming from here on my system. I don't actually know where is the air coming in at. Oh. It's not coming in through the front like that. Here, let's see if they show you. Here you can see where like you can hide all the cables and everything. That's what it looks like closed up. You've got a bottom filter to filter out lint and dust. So you're not intaking air through the front because it's obviously tempered glass. You're actually intaking air through the side here. Okay, so this is kind of what mine looks like. You have this, you have the CPU cooler, this venting air out the top. So this is the size of your vent in the top. It's huge, right? You have this huge vent in the top to vent out all the air. And so it helps it keep very cool because of that. And that's one of the reasons why I love this case. And you can do a side mount. This person did a side mount for the graphics card. That's a possible option with this case, which is actually kind of nice because the graphics card and cables can fit very tightly. If the graphics cards are like facing like this way, if you have your graphics card kind of facing like this long way, the amount of space, and you have your glass here, and you have like your cables here or whatever, there's like very tight amount of space and there. It can get kind of tight. So having the option to go horizontal like that can be nice. Yeah, this is my case. It's a solid case. I highly recommend it.
Really quick, gaming creators, if you haven't already done it, enter to win our $1,100 Gaming Creator Bundle sweepstakes. There's a link in the description below if you want to check it out. But the exact sound that you hear right now, the setups we all use on our podcast, Rode is giving that away for free to you as a part of the sweepstakes. It includes this microphone, the shock mount, the boom arm, and let me just show you the package. It's freaking great. It also includes the Rodecaster Pro mixer, which makes you sound this good live. This is not even an edited video. This is the way you would sound live. Pretty great. Also, our friends at TubeBuddy threw in a TubeBuddy Legend license, help you manage that YouTube channel more effectively and grow faster on YouTube. Plus, Restream threw in a license as well, so you can stream to multiple platforms and grow even faster. We use all of this stuff every single day. Now you can get hooked up with this for free. Enter for your chance to win. Link in the description below. Entering costs $0. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. So good luck, gaming creators. I'm glad we could hook you up with this package, and I hope you win. Go do it.